guys, I'm gonna show something today that I'm gonna be so happy. My grandmother just get something new before. Look. Oh, there. Did you see that? That? At the door with shoes. With shoes. We go to the mall. We just buy that at the mall. Oh no, it's City Hard. We buy it in City Hardware, and it was so layo, and it is layo. So I'll show you something better. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, I had to shut my mouth first. Here's the smile. See this, guys? See? See, guys? I love. Wait. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. There's a star, light waiting in the sky. Let's go sit in my chair. Just sitting with my table.
Set number 3. Serve yan. Isato. MJ Perez, nice defense si Stanton. Bernadette Pons, umatake, block, back to center. Another try, Bernadette Pons.
Did you know this, guys?
17 na ang ating trim line. Bernadette Pons with 17. Ayan, talaga pong buwis buhay. Itong si Bernadette Pons dito.
Guys, you know this, guys.
Ni Acuña! Yun lang. Grabe si Acuña. Grabe yung kanyang quick attack. Naghalimaw si Acuña dito with 7 points. Yan, balik sa dalawa ang lamang na lang nating prim line. MJ Perez mag-serve para sa Signal. Serve by Perez. Negrito. Binalik kay Bernadette Pons. Yan, back point si Bernadette para sa ating prim line. Kuzma. Balik na 3-point
You know this TikTok? I just create my own TikTok.
Ang ibigay na ng Signal itong set number 3. Pinapahinga na yung mga star player nila. Inubot na ni Coach Shaq ang mga second stringer. Pero tingnan natin kung lalaban pa ba sila dito. Negrito, good serve. Perez, no good. Check. Kung si MJ Perez lang ang natira dito sa starting lineup nila. Mandalan dito sa ating free line. Naka-score na naman si Mitch Bumaba. Yan o, si ano na lang. Nang natitira sa kanila si Perez na lang sa original starting lineup ng ating Signal. 22-18. Negrito ngayon, serving. Serve Negrito. Ito din si Lalong Isip. Nako! Walang isip-isip. Hindi pumasok ang atake. Okay, mukhang kampante na si Coach Shaq na makukuha nila ang fourth set. Pinasok na rin si Fernandez. Pag talagang ibigay na nila sa prim line itong third set, pinapahinga na si MJ Perez. Sabi nila sa fourth set natin kukunin. Sabi nga nila, bigay na natin yung isa. Kaya pagkunin natin ang ating prim line.
You create dance.
Ang mantra dito ngayon. You know? Service ace by Kyle Negrito. Yan, set point na tayo. Yan, parang nag-white flag na ang ating Signal dito sa ating set number
I'll show the basita. Don't forget to bye, bye, bye. Baby, I'm a rock star. Just hurt me, baby, never on the field goal. Whoa, we should stick together. Baby, I just wanna be yours, I wanna be yours. No one that care, I know I care. We shall never, I know we dare. You are my love, you are my part. And then for the poor. And then I love and get the name. We're just friends, or what are you saying? There's a mother right in your eyes. The first love and my heart that first time. And I don't know, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh. But to know this something that